I've heard amazing things about the Lush Butterball Bath Bomb and decided I can make my own recipe inspired by Lush's famous bath bomb, but with all natural and simple ingredients. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and today I'm sharing how to create a buttery moisturizing bath bomb inspired by the iconic Butterball. Introducing Simply Earth's Butter Bliss Bath Bomb. It wraps your skin in rich cocoa butter and sweet almond oil, while the calming timber and lang-lang essential oils soothe your senses. It's a natural, easy DIY that pampers like the original without any mystery ingredients. All the ingredients for this Butter Bliss Bath Bomb and tons of other natural supplies are available at simplyearth.com. Let's make your Butter Bliss Bath Bomb together. Here's what you'll need from Simply Earth: a 1/4 cup of citric acid for that fizzy bath magic. Next, a 1/4 cup of Natrasorb bath powder. This helps absorb and deliver the essential oils. 3 3/4 teaspoon of cocoa butter. This deeply moisturizes and nourishes. Then you're gonna need a 1/2 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. This softens and soothes the skin. 4 drops of timber essential oil. This has a calming woodsy scent. Then you will need 2 drops of lang-lang essential oil. This has a gentle floral aroma for relaxation. And of course, you'll need your bath bomb mold. And from your home, you'll need a 1/2 cup of baking soda. This softens the skin and water. And a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. This has a silky smooth feel. In a large bowl, whisk together the baking soda, the citric acid, cornstarch, and the Natrasorb until smooth and lump-free. In a separate bowl, gently melt the cocoa butter. Then stir in the almond oil and essential oils. Slowly drizzle the oil mixture into the dry ingredients while stirring constantly. Mix everything until it holds its shape when squeezed. If it's too dry, add a little water gradually while stirring until ready. Firmly pack the mixture into your molds and let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Carefully unmold the bath bombs and let them dry for 24 hours. Buttery smooth skin and that calming scent. This DIY is a total win. If I can make this Butter Bliss Bath Bomb, you can make this too. Ready to pamper yourself naturally? Grab your DIY bath bomb ingredients at simplyearth.com today. Love these natural DIYs? Like, subscribe, and check out more recipes coming your way.